starting exercise 4.2. So the first question is construct the following quadrilateral. So quadrilateral LIFT. So firstly we know in previous class we have to study about how to make quadrilateral. Firstly we have to draw a rough sketch of LIFT. So let's see. We draw LIFT. Okay. So LI, F and T. We can see LI. So the measurement of LI is 4 centimeter. Now second is IF. We can see there is IF. So this is IF and 3 centimeter. Next is TL. So we can see TL. That means these are 3 point. TL is 2.5 centimeter. Okay. TL 2.5. Next is LF. We can see LF is diagonal. This one. Okay. And LF measurement is 4.5 centimeter. Last one is IT. 4 centimeter. Okay. So we can see here in this rough sketch 2 diagonals are given and 3 sides are given. Okay. So firstly we know very well we have to draw a diagonal. In this both diagonal these are greater. So firstly we have to draw LF. So we have to draw LF is 4.5 centimeter. Okay. This is 4.5 centimeter. Next is L and A. Okay. अब which one is made by this point L? So L से start होने वाली is Li. Okay. So we can draw here Li. Here I am taking a point Li 4 centimeter. So let's see. 4 centimeter. This we can see this is 4.5. So 4 centimeter we can measurement in this ruler. After that the cut the arc of Li 4 centimeter. Now after that which point is started from F? We can see here Fi. Fi is 3 centimeter. So too much small from this and cut the arc of 3 centimeter. Okay. This. Now we can see here these are not intersect. So we increase this arc. Okay. This arc we can increase from too small. Okay. These are intersecting point. And this one is I. Now, after that, we can join this line L, I and IF. Okay. So, LI. What is the measurement of LI? 4 centimeter. And the IF is 3 centimeter. Is it clear or not? After that, which point is started from AIF? Remaining one is T. So we know here are T. So LT, FT and IT. So LT here are given TL 2.5. Okay. So taking this one is center and cut the arc of 2.5 centimeter. Here are 2.5 centimeter. Okay. ये क्या हो गया हमारा? This one is LT. Now, TF is not given in this question. Remaining one is we can see the rough diagram IT. What is the measurement of IT? 4 centimeter. So, 4 centimeter we know these are the 4 centimeter. Okay. So, taking I as a center, cut an arc of 4 centimeter here. Okay. We can see these are not intersect. So, we have to increase this arc. This. Okay. After that, now I will join this intersecting point. The measurement of this is LT. We can see where is the LT? LT and TL 2.5. And IT. So, what is the measurement of IT? 4 centimeter. This one is 4 centimeter. And here I am not given the measurement of F. This one T, TF. So we have to join this point here. And here I am not measurement. This is our LIFT quadrilateral. Your figure will make like that. Okay. Steps of construction you can write by yourself. What we can do in this quadrilateral LIFT. Okay. In previous questions we have already write the steps of construction. Now the next question, quadrilateral gold GOLD. So firstly we have to same rough sketch, draw a rough sketch. Let's see. G, O, L and D. Okay. And after that we observe which one is side is given here. So firstly OA 7.5 centimeter. We can see here OL is 7.5 centimeter. Next is GL 6 centimeter. That means this diagonal is 6 centimeter. Next is GD. So GD is again 6 centimeter. LD, we can see here LD, this one is 5 centimeter. And OD, that means this diagonal is 10 centimeter. Now what we can observe here? This geo is not given. Here are given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So which one is greater? OD 10 centimeter. So firstly we have to draw this diagonal OD and after this construct this quadrilateral GOLD. Let's see. Okay. Firstly I have to draw a diagonal line OD. Okay. OD is 10 centimeter. After OD, I have to draw which one is started from point O. So we can here see here OL 7.5. So we have to draw here L point. Okay. So taking O as a center and curtain arc of OL is 7.5. So let's see. We have to measure by ruler 7.5 centimeter. Which one is started from point D and L? So we see here D, L and LD. 5 centimeter. So we have to cut the arc of the half of this 5 centimeter DL. Okay. And after that we know that these are not intersects. So we have to increase this line. We have to increase this line from some. After that, which point is OL and DL? That means this point is L. Now I have to join OL and LD. So what is the measurement of OL? 7.5 centimeter and LD. So LD is 5 centimeter. Now again we can see which point is started from O. L is completed, so here we know G is come. So OG या फिर GD. We can see GD is 6 centimeter. So we take a D as a center and we take a D as a center. This curtain arc of 6 centimeter. Okay, this we can put here. D as center, curtain arc. Now this GD is 6 centimeter. After that, which one is remaining? We can see here all things is complete, but this diagonal GL 6 centimeter is remaining. So we draw a diagonal from taking this as center. Okay, because the measurement of GL is 6 centimeter. That's why I am taking L as center and curtain arc of 6 centimeter. Now we can again see these are not intersect, so we increase this. Okay, and this point is G. Now I have to join this GL, and the measurement of GL is 6 centimeter and the measurement of GD is also 6 centimeter. Now this have to join, okay, and GOLD is required quadrilateral, and you have to write steps of construction. What we can do in this quadrilateral, you have to write by yourself. Okay, so this quadrilateral wall is complete. Your quadrilateral is made like that. Okay. Now the next question, rhombus B, E and D. So firstly we know about what is the rhombus and what is the property of rhombus, because we are using when we make the rhombus. Okay. So firstly we know as it is rough sketch, draw a rough sketch B, E and D. Okay. So B and I given here 5.6 centimeter. And DE. So D is also this diagonal. These are 6.5 centimeters. Here are only given two diagonals. So which one is greater? D is greater. So firstly we have to draw this diagonal. After that, how to construct rhombus we can see in this question. Let's see. Firstly I have to draw DE. First, I have to draw D line segment D E, and the measurement of D is 6.5 cm. Now, remaining one is point is B and A. Okay. So, firstly, we know that all the sides of rhombus are equal. So, firstly, we have to draw a perpendicular on this line. Perpendicular, that means the angle of 90 degree. Which one is on DE segment? So we take a portion of more than half. We take more than half of 6.5 centimeters. This one is half and this one is more than. After that I have to draw perpendicular. Okay. Cut an arc off from here and this is also. This measurement is also taken and cut from arc from point E. This and okay. We can see and okay. Now this is the perpendicular on line segment D. You can see these are making a 90 degree angle. This line divided into two equal parts. Okay, and we give this point of O. Is it clear? After that remaining one is 5.6. So with 5.6 we have to draw B and point. We can here B point and no N. So we have to divide 5.6 in two equal parts, because we have to draw half parts here and half parts here. So which half of 5.6 is what one? 2 to the 4, 2 and the 16. Half of BN. Okay. Now taking 2 point on the compass measurement. After that, taking O as a center, cut an arc of 2.8 centimeter radius, and also this one is this same radius, taking O as a center and cut an arc of 2.8. Now join BD and BE and this DN, sorry EN and DN. And what is the measurement of this? 2.8 and this also 2.8. This is the proper figure of right. Okay, this one. Okay, because we have to cut here. Okay. So this is the B, E and D band is our rhombus. Now let's see the steps of construction. Let's see here. Draw a line segment firstly D was 6.5 cm. We can see here. Draw a perpendicular on D. So on D we have to draw perpendicular. Now taking O as a center, draw an arc of radius OB in OA. Same radius 2.8 cm. Now join B, EN and DB. All sides we have to join. Thus BE and is required rhombus. We can see this is rhombus. Okay, and this measurement of 2.8 and 2.8. Okay, we required rhombus. Exercise 4.2 is completed. Thank you.